sound of a tender cry. Life's new rhythm I can't deny. Stepping into a love so deep, a journey along with memories to keep. Tiny hands wrap around my soul, a fragile heart that makes me whole. Days are blurred but time moves fast, each moment shares.
Hi everyone, hello guys, it's been a while, I know. How are you guys doing? Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you see my face, you're welcome. My name is Sumi and you're welcome to the Sumi's Corner. So I'm so happy and excited to be making this video today. Yeah, today is the 1st of December and happy new month to everyone. This is VLOGMAS 1. Yes, I just want to participate in those vlogmas here, so I'm starting today. Yeah, so we are starting today with a good news. Yes, I don't know. Yes, we are starting today with a good news. But meanwhile, how are you guys doing? Hope you're fine. Hope you're good. In fact, I missed everyone. Yeah, I missed all of you. Yeah, it's been a while. Yes, I know. My bad, but in this upcoming days, I'm going to share with you all everything that has been happening, and yes, I'm going to share everything with every one of us here. So thank you so much for coming back, and please kindly watch. Make sure you watch all my videos to the end. And now you know we are monetized, so please watch the ads too. And God bless you. So yeah, it's a new month, and I pray that this new month is going to bring numerous joy to us, our families, and our businesses. Every goal we set our hands, every goal we set our hearts to achieve this month. In this month, December, we are going to achieve them all. Yes, so guys. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, everyone, we are expecting a baby. Oh my god, yeah. I'm super excited to share this with everyone. Yeah, we are expecting a baby. Yeah. So yes, we're expecting a baby, and I know you're happy. Yes, it's a good news, and I pray that in this new month we'll only see and we'll only hear good news in our lives and in our family. And I pray for everyone expecting this bundle of joy that God will do it for you. You guys know the last video I posted about my miscarriage and everything. I was worried, but yes, I was worried, but yes, God finally came through for me. Yes, this is baby number 5. Baby number 5. Yes, children are blessings from God. So I'm so happy that finally I was able to, carry my baby up to this month. I'm so happy, and I thank God for that. And I pray for everyone believing God for a miracle that you have it. So yeah, that is the good news I want to share with everyone in this new month. So thank you for watching. If you have watched up to this point, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this so that every other person is going to see this. So feel free to tell me congratulations. I'm an expectant mother, and I pray for self-delivery to me and every other person that is pregnant. Yeah. Film the bomb. Film the bomb. So guys, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. For now, it's bye.
Yeah, life no be joke, we dey run am like race. So Miss lifestyle, not the vibe we dey chase. Every day na cruise with a smile on my face. We know they dull, we dey keep up with pace. So Miss lifestyle, no they carry last. We dey move forward, we know they look back. Life now one chance, make you do it fast. Every level we go clear the track. Now who they look down, go respect us now. We dey build dreams like say not our how. Hustle hard, but we still dey creep out. Some is lifestyle, steady making them wow. Some is lifestyle, no they carry last.